Hi, I'm Michelle and I've partnered with Heartsease Farm to bring you some delicious seasonal bakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make an apricot, cranberry and date fruity loaf. To make the glaze for the fruity loaf, I'm going to add 4 to 6 teaspoons of Heartsease traditional sparkling lemonade. I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons at a time to make sure we've got the right consistency. We're looking for a thin glaze to make sure it runs down the sides of the loaf. Give it a good mix. If it feels a little thick, like that, add a little bit more. Okay, now it's quite thin. And I'm going to spoon a little bit of the icing on top, and then I'm going to encourage it around the sides with a little brush. You want it to be thin enough to coat the whole loaf, so I'm going to turn this and brush it around as I go. As the icing sets, it will dry nice and hard and add a nice little sweet glaze to your loaf. And there we are. I'm going to leave that to set and slice it later. Now the glaze is set, I'm just going to slice open the loaf. And now you can see it's got an even distribution of the cranberry, dates and apricot. To find out more, head over to the website.